Happy August 1st. My monthly challenge is up, and this month we decided to film everything outdoors. The theme for this month is beginner versus experienced cardio. We'll be strengthening the most important muscle in our body, our heart. This month I'm with my amazing workout partner, Kathleen. I'll be doing the modified or beginner version of each exercise, and Kathleen is going turbo mode, and she'll be doing the more advanced versions of each exercise. You're gonna need a little bit of space for this one. You can do it in your backyard, in your living room, basement. You'll just need a bit of space to move side to side and back and forth. But it's a lot of fun and very effective. This is a great opportunity to invite a workout partner who might be a little bit more advanced than you, but who you want to join in on the fun. The challenge is available to all members at justinagustin.com, or if you have the Justin Agustin Fitness app. I hope you like this one. It was really hot when we filmed it, but we just love doing these videos for you. And as always, if this challenge is not something that you're into, no worries. I invite you to try out any of my 30-day courses. There are a few on the site. We have another low-impact cardio course, my Absolute Beginner Gentle course, the classic Absolute Beginner course, and the follow-up, The Journey Continues, as well as a total body course for intermediates. With the membership, you also have unlimited access to all my other videos. If you want to create your own 30-day challenge, you can do that as well. You can hop in, do 1 or 2 videos a day. It's all available to you. Don't forget to download the printable or digital schedule that's included. It's available in the resources section in every course. Happy August 1st and happy workout. Disclaimer, this is probably the most challenging challenge to date. So if you want something a little bit more gentle, I invite you to try my low impact beginner cardio course. The same concept as this month's challenge. It's only me doing the challenge, and the exercises are a lot more low impact.